Hello guys, today as you can see I have the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Wi-Fi connection failures in this vacuum. So as you can see, this is our vacuum, and the first thing that we need to do is to turn this on by holding these two buttons. I mean this one button, this power button. I don't know if it's okay. Now as you can see, it's turned on, and now we need to reset the Wi-Fi connection. To reset the Wi-Fi connection, we need to hold these two buttons over here, dock and power simultaneously for around 5 to 6 seconds. After that, we need to hear something like Wi-Fi connection reset, Wi-Fi network reset, and after that, after the resetting, we need to just set up our vacuum back again with our app. If it still doesn't work, we need to disable the 5 GHz on the other temporarily. Then we need to try to connect it to a different Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't help, you need to contact device support because your vacuum may be broken. Goodbye.